Hi, this is a little tutorial on how to draw an almost perfect circle freehand. So how do you do that? Let's first approach this in a more elaborate way. So first I'm drawing a square and let's see. When I draw this square, this is the middle of the circle and the square. So I draw these lines. And this is very important because at these points the direction of the pencil is this way. And at this point the direction of the pencil is along this line. And at this point the direction of the pencil is along this line. And at this point the direction of the pencil is along this line. So here I have this direction, and then I turn and I go over to this direction. And here the same. I need to get from this direction to this direction. So I turn and the line curves. And here the same. I have to get from this direction to this direction. So here and here the same. And let's review the circle. Let's see where the dominant line should be, because it's quite thick here. I'm not saying it's really perfect, but I think it's a decent circle. So that's one approach in drawing a circle. The second approach is that you draw a line. I draw a horizontal line, and here I have two marks. These are the outer outlines of the circle, and I know that the direction of the movement at this point should be at this line, and here the direction of the movement should be at this line. So what I can do is just try to draw this circle. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's a decent circle. So that's just, let's say, a shorthand for this elaborate construction. Just a horizontal line, marks here, and you know that at these points the direction of the pencil has to be along this line here and this line here. So you need to go from this movement to this movement here, and you can try to get the height proper. So this is less elaborate, but it takes some more practice perhaps than using this approach. But in the end, the best way, I think, to learn how to draw a circle is just to sketch it freehand. I'm not saying this is a perfect circle, but I think that a circle like this, when you are making a drawing, is better than, let's say, having a perfect circle this way, because this is a very perfect circle, but the character of the line, the way this is created is so mechanic, is so different from, let's say, a more sketchy approach, that this is stylistically, I would say, alien to the way of drawing that you have otherwise. So I would, if you are sketching and you want to sketch a circle, I would prefer an imperfect circle this way to a perfect circle made this way. So there's a difference. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and maybe it helps to draw a circle when you need it. You could argue that doing the first and the second approach first with the square and the horizontal line can help you develop the skill to, in the end, draw a good circle without those things that you use to help you make that circle. So it can help you develop your skills in drawing a circle without any help